Number one with Passionate, just a little bit. So beautiful. You can add more as you prefer. You can also do 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 coat as you prefer. So I'm gonna get just a little bit, and then we are going to let it set for a second, and then I am going to using Thinking Green, which is number 8. Just give a little shake. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm gonna dab it in with green. All right. Let it set. So you see that I can do just a little bit. You don't need to do a whole lot. However, if you want to get it deeper in the green, you absolutely can add it on. It looks darker on this on the camera, but actually it looks really cool on my end. So here's this is really important with the keys for the fusioning. It's fun and easy. Is this tool will definitely gonna create your fusioning like marble looks is pretty much perfect every single time. So I am going to using Crystal Clear. And with Crystal Clears, you do not have to use a brush or additional brush or anything else. All you need is your Crystal Clears, and I am keep one piece of a little papers towels on the sides. If you can see this, get a little of residues, a little pigment colors. I am going to wipe it right on this piece of paper to avoiding is carrying all of unwanted pigment colors from the brush before I dip it back in. So dab it, just dab, and then you can just brush it as well as you prefer. You can dab it, and then you don't have to load a lot with your Crystal Clear, because you do not want it to be like all over the place or like a bleaching look. Dab, 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 and then go toward to the center where you want yours veins to be. Continue. I like that. And now remember, yesterday you can definitely use this with your neon sticker, which is on your subscription box. That's cool though. So stunning. All right. I'm happy with this. You can leave it like this, or you can add more crystals on. I'm excited. Should we add some really a dramatic crystal on? And if you don't want anything, you can top coat it and key it for 60 seconds. And then you are good to go. If you are going to decide to get in your crystal placements, we are going to do some crystal placement, like less than 5 minutes to do a fusioning. That's awesome. I'm going to do some crystal placements using this, one of my favorite kits. This might be too busy at the same time or whatever, but I'm going to leave it on this side. I get some of glow in the darks, and then of course some frame and beads. I'm going to create some stunning cool ideas. So first thing first, we're going to do condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, which is come from Trifecta. Is the 3-step methods to keep your crystals stay in one place. So I'm going to do a condensed glue gel first and floating the no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels, and then we're going to place the crystal on. And if you're having a troubleshootings or your crystal is keep coming off, it's not going to stay for you, your condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels will be your bestie for crystal placement. So I'm going to using number 2 is crystal kits. It has like 2,000 of really gorgeous exclusive centerpiece here. It's really thick densities with condensed glue gel, so you don't need a whole lot. However, you don't want to do too much. You also don't want to do too little. Too much is going to flood your crystals. Too little is not going to adhere your crystal properly, so we are going to do it is the good amount and then thick as well. And we're gonna floating, you know what, top coat on the top. Are you all missing the crystal placements? For the last few days I've been doing a really cute form is subscription box, just to share with all of you who is just only like the first time get a subscription box, and then you can create so many out of this. This one looks cool though. I did it on purpose of the veining like that. So many different way. I should do it like that way. And with how many 20 different shapes is definitely is a variety of the crystal placements. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put it gorgeous on it. This is one of my favorites kits. Hold on, I think in number 1. Number 2 have S shape, so this is number 1. I'm sorry, I'm like, did I say number 2 though? I'm gonna do a perfect chart right there. It looks like I am gonna bling this one out, but I'm gonna save some space because we did beautiful effusion inks on it. I'm gonna remove the wax residues when we finish. You know what? This one looks good with the glow in the dark or neon crystal too. You think so? Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm not gonna like cover the pot beautiful like a cheetahs. That is cool. Huh? This is really cool. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, look cool. You can leave it alone. And here I'm placing some bead to finish the look. I've been missing a lot of like crystal AB. I love the crystal AB as well. And then I love that how we can able to combine the glow in the darks crystal and then crystal AB. All right. Excuse me. I'm gonna tuck it in. Couple colors. Hey, are you okay? Mm-hmm. You reading? Mm-hmm. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Look, so before I'm gonna wipe it off the residues just a little bit shortly. Right, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. Is the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to go anywhere, and it's not going to set until I am happy with this, and you can adjusting it as you wish. So Kia 4 is sticky second. Those nails look different. Looks so dark.